Today I thought I would show you how I made Thai green curry. Normally go live and do this, but I just thought I'd do a video instead. There's me putting all the ingredients in. Look how fast this video goes. Coconut milk, chicken stock, seasonings, chicken. Don't come at me, I did wash it, look. That was baby spinach. A bit of lime. Get all them juices in. And I'm telling you now, this smelled amazing. The rice was like a fragrant rice. Wasn't something I'd normally cook, but it was still nice. There's me dishing it out for me and my princess.